Right now, let's talk about how you can put a grayscale on the iPhone and let's get into it. So grayscale, for this, you don't really need to download anything. You just open up the main settings app and you want to find the accessibility. It is indicated by a person in a circle on a blue background. You get inside and what you can do is to go to the display and a text size. And there you can manage a couple of different filters and the way your phone looks. Then go to color filters, enable it, and you can click on the grayscale. So as you can see, we have a little slider below, and you can kind of see what it would look like if you made it halfway or turn down the intensity completely. But if you want to make your phone grayscale entirely, then you have to just go and make it all the way to the right. Now, of course, you can go ahead and turn it back off right here whenever you decide. However, there is potentially even a simpler way to do this. If you are still within the accessibility, entirely at the bottom of the accessibility page, we have what's called accessibility shortcut. And this is basically what happens when you triple click the side button of your phone. So not the volume buttons or action button, but the side button, the power button, right? And if you tap it or click it 3 times, one of these actions might be triggered, and one of them is, of course, the color filters. So you can triple click the side button of your phone and make your phone grayscale, or the last applied color filter, which in our case is the black and white. So this can be triggered with the triple clicking of the side button. So this is what I find to be the best way to do this. Let me know below in the comments if it worked for you. Most definitely subscribe, and I'm gonna catch you later in the next tutorials.